Hey everyone, welcome to CIS105. Wanted to share with you a short video on sort of what we're doing here this week. A lot of times I will post to some other classes as far as sort of like an overview. I call it a what's going on video. And again, I'll update this from time to time depending upon what's going on. Well, right now what's going on is I need you all registered for Hack. So first of all, I want to draw to your attention. I had shared with you a message via Schoology, and some of you got it. I know some because some of you questioned me about a few things, and you're acting upon it now. I do appreciate that. I have a hack info and hack help folder down here. So I had sent out a welcome a couple weeks ago, and it sort of had like what you had to do right now. And again, I want to make sure you see this and that you are going through and getting registered for this hack course. Um, just first of all, there are no books. This is a course that we use access to a program called SimNet. SimNet is a publisher-based program, sort of like Schoology, where we have videos, we have help system within there. But again, this is something that Hack requires me to use. I've been teaching CIS 105 since 1995. And again, I know I'm an old man, but again, this is how it is. Um, and I wanted to make sure that you are aware of, first of all, that the need to go through and take care of this stuff. If you're not registered for Hack, if you're not paid, if you're not ready to go, my concern is you have no access to any of the course materials. Okay, so it's critical that this happens, and I'm here to help you. I can't help you with the registration process. I can point you to the person to help. And again, I can't really help you on that part. I can help you as much as I can in the course, but I can't help you on getting ready to take the Hack class. I will share with you the bill that you receive from Hack. Will also include the tuition or the tuition plus the access code fee. Again, there's nothing else on top of that. Some of you have taken CHS courses in other departments or even within business, and then you had to go buy a book. There's no book that you've got to buy. Everything is online, which makes it easy to work with, and you don't have to worry about anything. I do expect when you show up to class that you have your laptops. This is not a lecture style class. This is pretty much a flipped classroom where you have to be doing. And again, it's hands-on. So again, I want to make sure that you see this. As far as what I'm stating through here is once you get registered for Hack, then you have access to things. So again, back on our main course page here, I have a link here for underneath our syllabus to my Hack web. So again, this is going to be your login that you want to get access to. And again, you're going to log into our course. And again, this would be actually not logging into your course. This would be logging into your Hack web. And again, this is because I'm a faculty at Hack. Again, like I said, I've been teaching this either at Hack to Hack students or maybe at Cumberland Valley to Hack students or through the CHS program for a long time. So again, when you're looking at this, your page will look a little bit different, but you're going to have some things up here that's going to be important. So when we launch HackWeb, you want to be able to get out to D2L, which again is Hack's version of sort of Schoology. Within D2L, then you'll be able to access my course. I don't use D2L at all, other than as a launching pad for what we need to do through SimNet. So again, once you come out to D2L, you're going to see my logo right here. It's a hot air balloon. Go back into the Intro to Software for Business. And again, it'll take you out here. And then you want to look for content. Once you're in content, again, there should be some things here about McGraw-Hill SimNet. So this is where we sort of want to look at, and this is how we're going to launch SimNet. So without you being registered, you have no access to this stuff. So again, I will walk you through this the first day of class on how to register and how to get this SimNet set up. There's going to be some system requirements and browser settings that you have to change, especially like pop-up browsers that you can't have locked where you're preventing other windows opening up. So again, this is something I'm going to walk through, but again, I want to make sure you understand this. So again, once you get inside SimNet, it's going to be similar to Schoology. It's just going to be a publisher base. So again, it's sort of what I say convoluted a little bit. You have to go to Schoology to link out to my hack web, and then you go to D2L, and then you go to SimNet. But that's sort of how you're getting into everything for our course, and it's important that you take advantage of this. The other thing I'm going to ask you to do is once you are registered at Hack and once you have access to my Hack web, you want to look on our syllabus, and I did list this, where you want to have Word, Excel, and Access. This is not the free stuff that you get at Cumberland Valley. This is something you have to download and have it installed on your computer. You cannot do the course without this. Now, you have a couple weeks buffer until we start Word, but again, understand you need to act upon this now so you're prepared and ready to go. And for those who have already looked at the course, you know things are already laid out. So I already have a schedule. It's a tight schedule as is. Again, this is something that I'm following Hack's schedule. I went back to the last day that we could turn things in and work back so we'd have a little bit extra time in the beginning to get rolling. And again, this is where I need to make sure you're good. So in your syllabus, if you scroll all the way down to the last few pages, it'll talk about how can you get Microsoft Office 365 Pro and how can you install it from Hack. So this is where once you get logged in through my Hack web and you have access, you can click on this link here that's on the hub and go out there and get the software. I will need to know who has a school laptop, because you know that you can't just install anything you want on a school laptop. A technician will have to do that, and again, I just simply will need to know that list, and I'll be asking for that the first week of school, so I have that list to turn over to the tech team and they're prepared. For those people who are face-to-face, I might have a technician there that can help us out. For CVVA students, you're going to have some type of remote setting on your computer to download the stuff. And again, that's what we have to work through. But again, I need to know that immediately, but I need on your end to be registered for my course. If you're not registered for the course, you cannot take this. You have no access to any materials if you're not a Hack student and enrolled in CIS 105. And again, it's very important. I lay everything out on the table to know exactly where you stand. I don't want any surprises. When you start looking at the schedule, it's pretty much a repetitive process. Once we start working in Word, Excel, and Access, I'm going to have certain days that things are due. So you know up front, and I'm not surprising you with anything, but again, you can already look at this and take a look that we have some things coming up that we're going to need access to this material as soon as we can to get rolling with this. So when you look at your calendar here, notice the due date schedules, okay? Pretty much things are going to be due on Wednesdays and Fridays throughout the entire course. And again, it's okay to work ahead, don't fall behind, but you know exactly where you stand with this throughout the entire course. So this will take you all the way through to May. Please don't be alarmed when you see this. I have to lay this out within Schoology, and again also within SimNet. Now, in Schoology, you will see assignments here. These are simply bookmarks for me to put grades in. This is the schedule that you need to follow within our course. The assignments, everything will be in SimNet. So here, when you're doing this computer concepts lesson, when you click on this, there's nothing here within Schoology. Everything is back in SimNet. So again, when you see these dates, this is my calendar. These match up with what's on my syllabus for when things are due. And again, everything is laid out up front. There's no surprises. Please don't feel overwhelmed, but this is one thing I think it's important that you can plan accordingly. Maybe next week, you have a ton of things going on in another class where maybe you can work ahead this week. This way, again, I think based upon how the nature of the course is and being a pretty much flipped classroom, you can do that. And again, you're welcome to work through things at your own pace. The only thing I caution is, don't fall behind. And that's where we have, the schedule, and it's there for your help. and make sure that, again, this week that you're getting registered for Hack, you have access to my Hack. You can start looking at Word, Excel, and Access with downloading it on your computer. Let me know and being prepared for the course. All right, gang, I look forward to seeing everyone. I know when I look down through the roster, several of you have already had in class, and I look forward to seeing everyone again and meeting all the new people. So take care. I'll see you next week. Bye.